In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up an ElevenLabs voice using various methods. Let's dive straight in and explore the ways you can increase the pace of your voiceovers for that perfect delivery. First, the simplest way to adjust the speed of an ElevenLabs voice is by tweaking the speed slider within the voice settings. You'll find this slider easily accessible in the interface. By setting it to a value above 1.0, you can quicken the voice. The range goes up to 1.2, which provides a noticeable yet natural sounding boost to the pacing of your audio without distorting the quality. This feature is ideal if you're looking for a straightforward solution to increase the tempo a little bit. If you need a different approach, consider selecting a voice that naturally speaks faster. ElevenLabs offers a variety of voices, each with unique characteristics. By opting for a voice specifically designed to have a quicker pace, you can achieve your goal immediately without further adjustments. This is particularly useful if you're working on a project with a strict timeline and need to expedite the process. For more advanced control, consider incorporating punctuation such as commas or exclamation marks in your script. Placing these strategically can subtly influence the flow and speed of your narrative. Commas can introduce slight pauses, creating rhythm, while exclamation marks can add urgency and energy, indirectly increasing perceived speed. This technique is excellent for those who want to maintain precise control over the audio's delivery and nuance. If you're looking to make more significant alterations or explore different creative possibilities, downloading the audio and editing its speed in a separate program might be the way to go. Programs like Audacity or Adobe Audition allow you to surgically adjust the speed of your audio without affecting the pitch. This gives you unparalleled flexibility, enabling you to speed up sections only or apply effects that aren't available in ElevenLabs itself. This method is ideal for those willing to invest a little extra time for precise results. It's important to experiment with these options to see which suits your needs best. Each project may call for a different approach, and sometimes a combination of methods will provide you with the optimal outcome. Remember that minor adjustments can make a major difference in how your audio is received. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these strategies, you'll be able to customize the speed of your ElevenLabs voiceovers to fit perfectly with your content's requirements. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.